Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix too many login attempts on Swiggy. The simplest solution is to wait for a short period from 15 to 30 minutes before logging in again. The temporary block usually resets automatically. Avoid repeatedly trying to sign in as it can extend to the lockout period. Secondly, try contacting Swiggy support. If the problem continues after waiting, reach out to Swiggy support through the app or website. Explain the issue and provide any relevant details such as your registered email or phone number. The support team can verify your account and help you regain access. Some users have tried advanced methods like cloning the Swiggy app using a work profile app. However, this is not officially supported solution and may cause other issues. It's best to use the official support channels instead. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.